Hello everyone, my name is Hemant. I study in grade 12 and I'm a student of Goldenbee Global Campus, Bannerghetta. Today we gather around to celebrate World Humanitarian Day, a day which is dedicated to honoring those countless individuals and organizations that work tirelessly to provide aid, uplift those in need and stop suffering. We remember that humanitarianism transcends every barrier, every belief and every circumstance that we are in. This year's theme, It Takes a Village, could not be more fitting. Whether it's solving global crises or just deciding who does the dishes at your home, teamwork makes the dream work. And speaking of teamwork, I often think about how humanitarian workers are not less compared to superheroes. They don't get the Avengers style building they need, but they run into situations most of us wish to run away from, armed with nothing but courage, compassion, and sometimes an uncanny ability to fix things with duct tape. Humanitarianism is not limited to the front lines. It's not just about saving the world in dramatic fashion. Let's be honest, fashion never hurt, a little drama also never hurt anybody. But it's a day in which we remember the humanitarian commitments back onto our lives. Whether it's donating to a cause, volunteering, or just sharing a smile, every little bit matters. And if you do that with a joke or two, that's even better, because let's be sure, the world can use a little laughter right now. On a serious note, we honor those who work tirelessly just to bring hope, and we honor those who sacrifice themselves just to bring a little hope and relief to the world. On 19th of August this year, we remember the attack that happened on UN headquarters in Baghdad, Iraq. This shows the commitment of the UN to serving others, no matter who, no matter where, and no matter what. On 19th of August, we remember that it only takes a village of all of us to come in, and we can make a world which is just and more compassionate. Thank you, and let's strive for a more compassionate and just world.
Goldenbee Global, Beehive of Learning.